I'm going to be making an iced acai latte. So for this recipe, what you're going to need is half a scoop of the vanilla protein powder. You can use vegan or whey. I'm going to be using a full tablespoon amount of the Happy Way acai berry powder. I've got about half a cup here of frozen raspberries. I'll be using about 1.5 cups of almond milk, a cup of ice, a little dash of maple syrup. Now to make this one, what we need to do is use half our milk. So pour half the milk into your blender with all the remaining ingredients except for the ice, and blend that until it's really well combined and nice and smooth. And then in a tall glass, we're going to pop our ice in there, the rest of our milk, and then we're going to top it with our acai berry mixture.